Hello fifth grade. Welcome to watch this video. And in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit what you need to do this week. So please pay attention. And when you finish those pages, you need to send me back, okay? Those pages by picture or photos and send me in your emails of your grade. Okay, so we're going to work about pronunciation lab. So we have this list of words. Those are of vocabularies, okay, so I'm going to listen the pronunciation. Please, I want you to repeat this one. Okay, I want you to repeat each word with their examples. Okay, and please repeat.
Listen and repeat. Plastic. Plastic bottles and medicine containers are recycled. Plastic. Aluminum. Aluminum comes from minerals deep in the earth. Aluminum. Paper. What kind of paper can be recycled? Glass. Glass is melted and mixed with other kinds of glass. Recycling. Let's start a recycling program. Recycling. Sand. Glass comes from sand. Sand. Materials. Does anyone know where these materials? Materials. Environment. I'm glad you are interested in a cleaner environment. Environment.
Okay, so what do you need to do in this page? As you listen to this, and then you need to do this activity. It says match the word with the picture. So what do you need to do? Match. What is it? This one. Plastic? What is it? What do you think it is? In paper? Which one? You need to make a line and match. Okay, match, make a line. Okay, and let's do this digital connection game. And help me please. And I'm gonna do it together. Okay, let's start. And what do you think it is? This one? Sand? What is it? What picture? You think it's this or that one? It's this one? Yeah, good job. And aluminum. Which one? You think it's this one? Or this one? Or that one? No, this one. Yeah, good job. And what about this one? What do you think it is? You think it is glass, recycling, or materials? I think it's good job. Paper. So which one? Paper? Think it's this? Yes, good job. And what about this one? What is it, this one? You think it is environment, or plastic, or glass, or recycling? Environment? Yeah, good job. Okay, and plastic, what is this one? Which one? You think it's this, or this one, or that one? This one? Yeah, good job. And what about this one? You think it is glass, or recycling? Which one? Okay, let's see. This one? Yes, good job. So this one's, it means recycling. So see? Yes, good job. So see the paper right here. Plastic, aluminum, paper, glass, recycling, sand, materials, environment. Okay, so you can do this game again at home, but please go in your digital book, okay? And you can do it right there. Okay, so we're gonna go on next page. Okay, so what are you going to do in here? If you see right here, the word bank, it is the same word that we saw a few seconds ago on page 198. So it is the same word. So what are you going to do in this part? It is activity, okay? So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, but we have 8 words. So 1 is missing. The missing word, you need to write it down in this part, okay? And which one? You need to find out. How many words? We have only 7 right here and we have 8. So one word is missing. So what are you going to do? Write the words from the word bank in the shapes that fit. Write the missing words on the line below. So you need to write it here and fits right here, the word, these words. And in the bottom one, you need to say, write related words from your word bank. So you need to find out which one. Toys, bags, and bottle. What do you think it is? Plastic, yes, foil, metal, and cans. You need to track this video and see it. You see the game that we did? Okay, so find out and you need to write related words from your word bank, okay? And also you need to do the page 206. 206. Okay, so you need to do this page 206. To do this, you have two options. You can listen this reading, or you can go and find the answer. Okay, so what are you going to do? Read the text again, this text right here on 205. And read the text, answer the question with complete sentences. With complete sentences. Why is our planet in danger? Why? You need to find out why is it in danger. You need to find the answer in here. And what produces carbon dioxide and pollute the air? So you need to find out in this reading the answer. Okay, so you need to know a little bit about this. Let's do this digital game connection and let's play together. So before we need to do this one. So please right now, let's start this game. Okay, so we need to match what places and where it doesn't rain very much. What places? So what do you think it is? What places? So what do you think it is? What places there it doesn't rain very much? What do you think? Which ones? You need to find out what happens. What happened in places where it doesn't rain much? What happens in places? Which one? Think it's this? Yes. So what happens in places where it doesn't rain much? It gets very dry and it's difficult for plants and vegetables to grow. Okay, how much garbage is dumped into the ocean every year? How much garbage? Okay, what do you think? What do you think? 14 billion pounds, I think. A lot, see? How does the water become polluted? What do you think? What do you think? Okay, so water becomes, yes, becomes polluted when it, and this one, let's see. I'm gonna commit a mistake. So what do you think it is this? What produces carbon? This one. And what is the biggest problem that pollution causes in the planet? What is the biggest problem? What is the biggest problem? What is the biggest problem? What do you think? What is the biggest problem? You think it's this? Yes, pollution is causing change in the weather. Change. What can we do to help save our planet? Two things. What can we do? We can recycle and reuse things, okay? And what happens in places where there are strong winds? What happens? What happens? Places where strong winds? You think it's this one? Yeah, good job. Why is our planet in danger? Why? Why is our planet in danger? It's in danger of pollution. So, take a look this one. Why is our planet in danger? The planet is in danger because of pollution. So please take a look this one. The answer of this one, you can use it on that one. Okay, so we're gonna do what pages you need. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this week. So please, you need to read this one and and write the answer, okay? And let's listen to this conversation, okay?
Read the rhyme, reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Words that all should know. Our planet, so we can live and grow. We are only children, but we will try, you'll see. So we can save this planet, it starts with you and me.
Okay, guys, so that's all you need to do and find the answer. And you need to write it down right here, okay? The answer of these questions. Thanks a lot, guys, and then I hope to see you in the next video. And please work hard and pay attention to your parents. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.